So this is my Mammotion Luba 3 all-wheel drive that is now 2 months old, and it won't mow anymore. So I contacted the Mammotion support, and they asked me to put it on a level surface and start it from there. And that's what I'm doing now.
Start working.
So I selected to just mow this small flat area. And as you can see, it just sit there and do nothing. No reaction at all. So it's apparently not working. And then they asked me to clean it and to look at the cutting discs to see if they are clean. So I've removed the security key, and here we have the mower. Maybe they are not spinning as freely as they could. Removing the cutting discs. They are rotating, but maybe they could rotate more freely. Maybe I actually want to put it down into service mode, lower the cutting disc to the maximum. I will do that, I think. It's trying to extract the... It tries to lower the cutting discs. But it isn't able to do it. So I think this dirt has to be removed. That's what... Can I remove these?
Live audience reaction.
Can I remove these? See? Will it fall apart, or will I be able... Ah! Did what I wanted to do. Great. Oh. There we have massive amount of I will flip it over again and see if it can lower the discs this time. Yes, now it's able to lower the discs. I would like to power wash this, but you are not allowed. So I will bring it over to the compressed air and blow it clean instead. So let's see if it works now.
Task paused.
Starting up.
Continue working.
Yes, good. So let's see if it starts mowing. Starting the cutting. Yes. And it's moving. Yeah. I think I fixed the problem.